Hello everybody, this is Yin Hao here, and this is a review of Dice Vision by Conan Liu, Jonah Hu and TCC. This is the dice version of the now classic Color Vision box. It comes in a hardshell box with the link to the tutorial video printed on the underside of the lid. For those unfamiliar with the Color Vision effect, an audience member places the die into the box with any number of their choice facing upward. You are then able to guess the number every time. There are no gimmicks, no trapdoors, and everything is 100% examinable. The Dice Vision looks very well made. The die is solid, and the box looks to be made from the same wood as the Anything box. So this is like a series that Conan Liu and TCC are producing. The dice measures approximately 3.9 centimeters. The height of the lower part of the box without the lid is approximately 4.7 centimeters. The width of the lower part of the box is approximately 5.3 centimeters. The height of the box with the lid is approximately 5.1 centimeters. The larger size of the box can be a pro or a con. It is more visible but less portable and takes up more pocket space. You might not want to carry something like this in your pocket. Does not look like a cheap toy. It does not look plasticky. Depending on your presentation, you might want it to look like a toy, but this one does not. You are, however, limited to the number revelations on the die. There are no colors, alphabets, shapes, etc. I guess you could customize this with stickers if you want, which Conan does mention in the tutorial, but you can do that with any other Color Vision cube. The tutorial for Dice Vision is only about 6 minutes long and goes through the basic handling. There is also a separate performance video posted on YouTube. The super observant of your audience may notice that there is a difference in the wood grain. However, in performance, it should not really matter. Dice Vision retails at $40 on TCC's website, which is a little on the high side in my opinion. This is approaching something like the Mikami Color Vision territory. So, this may be for someone that collects different Color Vision sets for display, or if you have a very specific dice themed routine with Badlands Bob, etc. I guess having many versions of the same prop, like Color Vision, is a good thing as they provide various options. That's all I have to say for Dice Vision by Conan Liu and TCC. Hope this video was useful. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!